Good day everyone. Our lesson for today is all about determining the center, radius, standard form, and general form of a circle. Written by Mr. John Mark S. Manalansan. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section, and finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about determining the center, radius, standard form, and general form of the circle. The standard form of a circle is quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared equals r squared, while the general form is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. H and K is the coordinate of the center, or we call this the vertex, diba? And it is the center of the circle. R is the radius of the circle. D is equal to negative 2 h, we need to say negative 2 times h, and E is equal to negative 2 times k, while F, to get the F, is equal to h squared plus k squared minus r squared. So these are the formula to get this D, E, and F. Okay? Now, example. What is the standard form of the equation of the circle with center at 2, 7 and a radius of 6 units? So we have center of 2, 7 as x and y, or hk I mean. So h is 2 and k is 7, while 6 units is the radius. So we have the formula, this formula, quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. So given that h is equal to 2, k is equal to 7, and r is equal to 6. So substitute the value of h, k, and r to the formula. So we have quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 7 squared equals 6 squared. Then just simplify the equation. We have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals 36. Therefore, the standard equation or form of the equation of the circle is quantity x minus 2 squared, okay, plus quantity y minus 7 squared equals 36. Another example, what is the general form? So now we're looking for the general form of the equation of the circle with the center of 2, 7. Okay, 2, 7 and a radius of 6. So we have this formula for this general form. We have h equals 2, k equals 7, and r equals 6. So to find d, we have negative 2h. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. For e, we have negative 2k and k is equal to 7. So negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. For f, we have h squared plus k squared minus r squared. So we have 2 squared plus 7 squared minus 6 squared. We have 2, 7, and 6. So we have 4, 7 squared is 49, and 6 squared is 36. Then 4 plus 49 is 53 minus 36 is 17. Putting all of this to the general form, this one, so we have x squared plus y squared is negative 4x minus 14y plus 17 equals 0. So therefore, given the center of the circle plus the radius, we can have the general form, which is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 14y plus 17 equals 0. Now, let's determine the center and the radius of a circle given the standard form. So, determine the center and radius of a circle given the equation quantity x minus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals 36. So, substitute the... let's write first the given. Next is, this is the standard form for the equation of a circle. And then, the h and k, so aalisin lang natin. What is the opposite of negative 2? That's positive 2. What is the opposite of negative 7? That's positive 7. And then 36, the radius is, if it is 36, no, that's the r squared equals 36. So, ang gawin natin, square root both side. So, what's the square? This will be cancelled, no? And then, what is the square root of 36? That is 6. So, r is equal to 6. So, therefore, the center of the circle is 2 and 7, and the radius is 6 units. Clear? Now, let's have another. Given the general equation, or general form of the equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 14y plus 17. So, we will find the center and the radius of the circle. So remember the formula for the equation, for the general form, we have x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So therefore, we need to recall also that the formula to get this d is equal to negative 2h, the formula to get e is equal to negative 2k, and the formula to get f is equal to h squared plus k squared minus r squared. So let's have the d first. D is equal to negative 2h. H, we don't know yet. D is negative 4 equals negative 2h. Divide both sides by negative 2, so the answer is positive 2. Okay? For E equals negative 2k, so E is equal to negative 14. Tama? Negative 14 equals negative 2k, so divide both sides by negative 2, we will be having positive 7. Okay, so 14 divided 2 is 7 is equal to k. Positive na siya kasi they are both negative. For the value of for the value of kf, we have h squared plus k squared minus r squared. So we're looking for the r now. We have 17 for the f, which is equal to 2 squared plus 7 squared. Ito yung nakuha natin, no? 2 and 7. So we have 2 squared and 7 squared minus r squared. Wala pa tayong r squared. So 2 squared is 4 plus 7 squared is 49 minus r squared. So 4 plus 49 is 53. Ililipat natin siya. Magiging negative 53 equals negative r. So we will be having negative 36 equals negative r squared. Using multiplication property of equality, i-multiply natin sila ng both negative 1. Okay? So, negative 1. So, magiging positive 36 equals r squared. Get the square root. Okay? So, you will be having r equals 6. Square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, h and k is equal to 2 and 7, and r is equal to 6. Thus, the center of the circle is 2 and 7, hk, and the radius is 6 units. So, that's all about the lesson on determining the center, radius, standard form, and general form of the circle. With that, thank you very much for your listening.